Hello everyone! Today we're walking from Siu Sai Wan promenade up to Pottinger Peak View Compass. The whole walk is just a leisurely walk, or at least that's what it was supposed to be until we decided to go through a slightly different route. So first we turn left here, and let's have a look at the map. And we just walk up. Here you can turn left or turn right. It doesn't matter, it will just lead to the same route anyway. And we're back on the main road again. Here we turn left. And then we found this route that we didn't see before. It's actually quite an old route, but we don't know why we haven't seen this before. And we decided to have a go. It's quite beautiful actually, and the trees make it look like a tunnel, even though it's not actually a real tunnel. And you can see some sea view here. And we reached a dead end. Also it seems, but it's not really a dead end because there's stairs on the right here. I had to focus on the road because, safety is the most important, right? And then we went up. This is not the official route. And this part was really steep for me. And so again, I had to focus on where I was going. As we were going up, we did take some breaks though. After taking breaks, we kept walking up. It's not like we could have walked back down. Our shoes were not suitable for walking back down from such a steep path. Moral of the story: always wear suitable shoes for hiking. Finally, we reach a flat bit. We're quite far up now. And here, if you go left, then you keep going up, but we don't want that. We want to go back to main route, so we turn right here. We went down some stairs and then got back to main road again. Here's a wild boar. We didn't dare disturb it, and so we just got on with our journey.
Keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me.
Here we just keep going up the stairs. More stairs.
I never want to look at a house in the garden. I never want to.
And finally a flat bit.
No, you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can stay.
And ta-da! You'll get this view when you get up to the Pottinger Peak View Compass. That's all for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.
I was relieved, 'cause I never want to play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can can still have fun for now.